Hey folks, Big T from Big T's Hobbies, and I'm joined today by the Suggabear, and she's going to try teaching me how to make a bookmark out of a piece of paper. Now, are we going to need anything else, or are we good with piece of paper?
We're gonna need some color pencils.
Can you use crayons?
If you want, but I recommend color pencils because they work more better on paper and you can erase when you need to erase.
Which, if you've seen me doing any kind of woodwork, erasing's pretty good. Alright, so how do we get started?
Also, you need scissors because one of the folds leads to scissors. So first we make a triangle out of this corner. Make sure you try to line it up to the piece of paper on the other side, just for safety, because it's what you need to do. So this is where you need the scissors. So you first take the scissors.
I didn't get any scissors.
Yeah, because I'm teaching you. And teacher gets scissors first.
Now, you're me. You can do that and then realize you probably should sharpen your knife.
Yeah. Next thing you should do after you use the scissors or the knife. I just need to trim mine.
Make it look kind of like a, yeah, I got you. Alright,
so
what's next?
Next you do this.
Hold on.
I might need to trim this side a little more.
Apparently I did it wrong.
Well, so guys, I think I need a new piece of paper. So hopefully...
Here, can you work with mine?
But you can't work with mine. So, Daddy, you did it perfectly.
Well, that's to be expected. I am freaking awesome.
But you don't know how to make these bookmarks?
Not yet.
So I kind of messed up a lot.
So I'm gonna sit here and watch you finish making one.
So
I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing.
So first you take this, you fold it. Next you take this piece of paper and then you put it around like this. And this piece of paper, do the same thing. Then you have this. It's a nice little bookmark. And then turn it this side to this side, and then you can start decorating.
Now, if you ended up with something like mine, what you can do, give it a couple folds, a couple more folds. Bippity boppity bacon, you got an airplane that probably will not fly. No, it won't. So, watch her.
So I'm just drawing some cute little kawaii eyes. if you're like me, well, I shouldn't start doing that again. A little donut. I'm gonna do this. What did you draw that?
You just keep doing your thing.
So I don't have an eraser with me, so yeah.
But you can pretty much decorate it however you want, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you grab that notebook here and show them how the bookmark works?
So you have like this. It can come off. So that's the good thing. And the great thing is if you're in school still and after you're done with work, you actually can make one of these. And if you just want to make a little design, you can on it. And you can just put little swirls everywhere on it. You can decorate it however you want, though.
Can you draw boogers on there?
If you want.
I'll draw boogers once I watch this video and learn how to do it. Then once you got it all designed up however you want, you got a neat little bookmark that'll set, on whatever page you're reading, and then, you'll never lose your way again, at least while you're reading. So this is, been a learning experience. I mean, granted, I made paper airplanes that didn't really fly, but hopefully you guys have a lot better luck. Let's see some pictures of whatever you made down in the comments. So this is Big T saying,
be safe.
Enjoy making your little bookmark. Hopefully it turns out a lot nicer than mine did. And be safe. Have fun. Stay creative.